Hi guys, on this video I'm going to show you how you can disable the pop-up notifications inside of Windows 11. Before we start with this small tutorial, don't forget to drop a like into the video and to subscribe to the channel for more content like this one. Let's begin. Now, inside of Windows itself, you want to right-click into the Start button and open your settings. Inside of the settings menu, under System, you're going to find the option of notifications. Open it. Here there are a couple of options that we can do to disable the pop-up notifications. The first one is to scroll all the way down and to click to additional settings. Inside of here, you're going to see these three options to show Windows welcome experience after updates, suggest ways that the most of us Windows users finish settings of this device, and get tips and suggestions when using Windows. I recommend you guys to disable all three of them, as I have it right here. And this is also a good suggestion because maybe Windows is going to show you some ads right here. Now, another option that you can do is to simply set to off all of the notifications. But the problem is that if you want to have some applications on that you need, like for example, if you need to have Discord notifications on, it's not going to work because you turn it all off. So what you can do is to go to the notifications from application and other senders and turn everything that you don't need off and only let the apps that you need running on. Now you know how you can get rid of those annoying pop-ups inside of Windows 11. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, everything else. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.